Papasok ka rin ba dito sa Dungeons of Fort Santiago kung saan nakita ang 600 na nabubulok na mga katawan during the Second World War? I feel so sad seeing actual photos kung paano sila na-discover, and may mga bata rin. Gabi kami nagpunta kaya mas nakakabingi ang katahimikan. I joined the Go Pinas Intramuros Nightfall Tour. Maliban sa dungeons, we got to visit the Manila Cathedral, Casa Manila, Fort Santiago, San Agustin Church, dorm ni Jose Rizal, ruins of American Barracks, Plaza de Santa Isabel, and even this time capsule na dapat daw sa 2045 pabubuksan. Our guide was very helpful. Learning about history was not this fun, but because Go Pinas has TOT accredited tour guides, it made me understand history more. Yung mga nabanggit ko sa taas ay ilan lang sa mga pinuntahan namin. It will be a 3-hour walking tour, so bring the best footwear you got and score the best joiner deal for only 999 pesos. Ano ang kasama? All in na mula sa tour guide, Go Pinas kit at lahat ng entrance fees. Hindi pa mainit mag-tour sa gabi compared sa day. Book ka lang sa gopinas.com or message them in their socials. Use the code CHECKATRAVELS to get discounts.